Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate an AI voiceover using text-to-speech in Clipchamp. So to get started, we have our Clipchamp project open here. I just have a generic video clip on my timeline right now. And let's say you want to make something for a social media post or maybe an advertisement. If you want to add an AI voiceover, doing so is really simple inside of Clipchamp. All we have to do is go to the Record and Create tab here on the left-hand side of our screen. And all the way at the bottom, there's the text-to-speech option. So let's go ahead and click that. And we're going to see a new menu open up here on the right-hand side of our screen. We have our language and our voice. So more often than not, you probably want this to be in English. And you can have different voices for different moods. So for example, we choose Ada. Let's go ahead
Choose from
and
a
hear.
variety of voices to help you create a
That's how she sounds like. Maybe Alessio.
Choose from a variety of voices to help you create a
I'm sure you've heard of this voice before in one of your YouTube shorts or whatever.
Choose from a variety of voices.
How about Aloy?
Choose from a variety of voices.
So I'm pretty satisfied with that one. That sounds like the most neutral to me, and that's what I would like for this video. So if you've ever wondered how people are able to generate their or if you've ever wondered how people are able to generate narrations for their videos and shorts very, very quickly and very on demand, this is how they do it. So here, you're going to be able to type in the text you'd like the AI to say. So for example, let's just say this is a test run for the text to speech feature inside of Clipchamp. The voices are all created by AI. So notice how you can also add pauses. Like for example here, I'd like to add a pause. Then you can see it shows up there is a 0.3-second pause, and you can adjust the duration of this pause however you see fit. So this is pretty useful for timing certain parts of your narration with your video, although it might get a little bit tedious depending on how long the video is. You also have some advanced features to control, like the pitch and the pace of your AI voice. Simply put, the pitch is how high or low the voice is. You can make it extra high or extra low. And the pace is the speed at which the AI voice starts speaking. So you can have it set to a slower pace for a lengthier narration, or you can also speed it up. But let's go ahead and click on preview to give us an idea of how this sounds like.
This is a test run for the text-to-speech feature inside of Clipchamp. The voices are all created by AI.
As you can hear, the result is pretty well made, and it's pretty hard to notice any any glitches inside of the speech. It sounds pretty natural and pretty almost as if a human actually said it. So this is a really useful feature to be familiarized with, because this will help take your video productions for any number of things like social media posts or advertisements to the next level. So once you're satisfied with the result, you can go ahead and click on save, and it should add the AI voiceover to the timeline right here, which we can freely move around and adjust depending on our project. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.